So design number one, we're going to make this cute story text message post. And Miles, I know you're a dude, so you can find you a dude image and put him there instead. So starting out, you need to make a new page. So to do that, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and just select add new page. And you see on number 3, I've already put all the elements that we're going to use here, but I am going to show you how to search for them yourself. But I just put these here just in case anybody gets lost. So we got a blank canvas. First thing we're going to do is find the image we want. So you're going to go to your elements bar. This is your black toolbar. So this is the toolbar that we're using while we're designing. So click on elements and you can type in excited woman, or I typically sometimes put in excited black woman, but you can put in any woman you want, okay? If you want to use the same woman that I use, then you can use that picture up top. I don't want to give y'all exactly all the same elements because I want you to make it look how you want it to look, but we'll use the same type of style. So in your toolbar, type in excited woman, and you'll see it'll bring up graphics, photos, videos, but we're looking for the photos, so you can press see all right here, or you can just click the photos button up here. Either one will get you there. And then there is a plethora of excited women, or if you want men, a plethora. So you can take your pick from that. So take about 1 minute and pick your person. So now that you have your person, I want you to click on your image that's on your design space, and there should be 3 little dots that says more. Click that, and if you scroll, there's a button that says set image as background. And the same picture is in the slide above. So if you can't find it right now, you can go to the slide above you, above the one that you're working on, and her picture is right here, and you can just drag it over to the last slide. So all the elements we're going to use are there. Can you import personal pictures? Yes, you can. So, and you'll do that by pressing this upload button right here, and then you'll upload files, and it'll let you upload stuff from your computer. Okay, so we're going to keep moving along. So you can upload your picture, or you can use this picture that's right here. It's already found for you. So after you upload it, if your picture is not all the way to the edge of the design field, if you just double click it, it'll let you crop it. You can make it smaller, or well, you can make it larger actually to expand it. And you'll just drag to the edge and make sure that each corner of the square of the design field is covered with your picture. You don't have to do that, but you can if it bothers you. So moving on. Next, we need our text boxes. So what we're going to go back to the elements bar and type in text message box. And again, if you can't find it in this search bar right now for time, you can just go up here and pull this one that I already found for you. But I want you to try to find it yourself so that you can get used to using the search bar with the elements. And for this one, you need 2. If you like the thicker one, get the thicker one. And this is just if you are pulling up the same box. Bar might work too. It might. Oh, dang. That did not work. Okay. Okay, so get 2 of them when you find them. So now that we have two of them, what we're going to do is the one, so this would be what we're sending right here, the one that I'm moving around. This would be the, is that right? This would be the response that we get from the person we're texting. The one that's going to be, the one I'm wiggling around, that's going to be from the response that we're getting, you need to flip it so that it's actually realistic. You know, it's coming from that end. Like we're actually creating a realistic image right now. So once you have that flipped, you click it, and at the floating toolbar at the top, there's a button that says flip. Click flip horizontal. Next, we're going to get a circle. So go back to your elements bar, type in circle. And right beside the word all, there's a button, a word that says shapes. Click shapes, and you should see a circle there. Grab it and let it go to your design field. Once you have your circle, make it small, because this is going to be where the person's initial goes that you're texting. The blue message box is already the blue we need it to be, but the other one, I guess it depends on what setting you have your phone on. If you have your phone on dark mode or the other mode, we're going to pretend like our phone is on dark mode. This is for iPhone users, okay? iPhone gang. We're going to change this incoming text. Well, this one on the, what side is this? The left. We're going to make it a dark gray. So if you click it, there is a little circle in your floating toolbar that is a color. That's your color bar. So you'll click it, and then your color tools will pop up. And whatever color you click, that's what color it will change. So choose dark gray. And while we're on there, click the little small circle that's going to be for the person's name and choose a light gray. Whichever light gray floats your boat. So on the text message, our font is going to be this DM Sans font. It's kind of similar to the text message font. So to find that, first thing you need to do is hit the text bar and then hit add text box. And so that's going to pop up on your screen. Drag it to where you want to go. And then your font should be DM Sans, and it already pops up. But if you want to find it, you can just type it in the toolbar and it'll populate. So from there, you want to just put in your message. And if you want to do two, you can do two. To do that, you would select it all with your mouse. This little plus sign is duplicate, and just drag it on top. And so you'll have a full-blown conversation here. All right, we're going to wrap up this design because that is literally the gist of it. So you can use this to, it's for storytelling, to capture your audience's eye. You can use this to tell a story if you got a client testimony, if you have an encouraging word you want to share. For example, like this one where it's a message to God. Hey God, I want to quit. Why does this keep jumping like this? Okay. It says, hey God, I want to quit, or I'm done. And then he responds, give it to me. You don't have to carry it alone. And then it has the three dots like he's still typing, about to say something back. So you can use this type of post to tell stories. This is my picture. You can upload your own pictures, again, by using this upload bar, upload files, and pull it from your computer and then add it to the background like we did the girl.